Jonas showing vlogs here today. Today I'm at Granville station. Here we have 8:37. Departing for a Leopardton service. First stop will be Maryland and Guildford or Salts. Followed by Yonora, the north section to Leopardton. Not really hard. Having a good day. My god, that's actually so fast. I've never seen a train go that fast. I'll buy A for 8:10. Have a good one. B45 now passing platform 3. This is rare. Nice. This is rare. B45. Why is it passing platform 3? Okay, this is ridiculous. Why is there a B set passing platform 3 when it's supposed to pass? Got a B set about arriving on platform 3. City Circle service via Lincoln. First stop Auburn, Lincoln, Flemington, Sheffield. This train might be taking something. Croydon. Anyways, we're gonna water now arriving on platform number 3. It's slowing down for a reason because the visa just passed. B number 4. First up, Auburn. Why is the guard playing music? Okay, this is weird. The guard playing music on his car. Now that's a difference, right? Like, V14. Oh my goodness, this is such a rare day to come here at Granville. V14, rifle cars. Rifle cars are gonna be V50. V50 is the second last V set. Next up, Parramatta. Don't know why it's passing platform 4 for a reason. Probably tracks, probably something like a wiring problem somewhere around here. Inner service arriving on platform 4. A set 825. Oh, there's another water coming. 825 set. Oh, we have 825 here on platform 4. Inner service by Parramatta. Water right now arriving on right behind me. It's gonna be Lincoln by local service. We've got 841. Section by local service. We've got 825 is now departing platform 4. We've got 841 departing. First stop, first stop, I'm not Leamington, I have to Leamington. Next stop is there's birds on the platform, guys. This is LOL. 822, going to Leamington. Yeah, good one. You said take the train and go home. Anyways, 822. Bound for good 822. Departing for Leamington. That train went flying through. Next, got a Riverstone service, I-51.